Dear students of class 8, today we will continue the earthquake part of the chapter Unstable Earth. So again I am telling what is earthquake. Earthquake is a sudden or rapid shaking of the earth producing sudden jerk and tremor. Earthquake center and epicenter, also you know the point from where the earthquake originates is called the center, and the point just lie above the earthquake center is called the epicenter, where the intensity of earthquake is maximum. Now we are going to the three types of waves. Earthquake waves are classified into three types. The three types of waves are P wave, S wave and L wave. These are the three types of seismic waves: P wave, S wave and L wave. The other name of P wave is primary wave. These primary waves travel very fast at about 5 to 14 km per second. These waves move to and fro in contractions and expansion process. These waves can propagate through solid, liquid and gaseous substance. Please underline, P wave can move through solid, liquid and gaseous substance. The other name of primary wave is push wave or P wave. Next is S wave. This wave reaches next to primary wave. The wave that comes next to primary wave is called secondary wave. Secondary waves move at a lower speed, about 3.5 to 7.2 km per second. They move in direction perpendicular to the P wave. They strikes the earth surface, and so they are called shaking waves. They cannot move through solid substances but can move through liquid and gaseous material. Underline this, very very important. S wave cannot travel through solid but they can move through liquid and gaseous materials. Next, L wave. The other name of L wave is long wave. Long wave. These waves travels along the surface of the earth like waves on the sea. These waves are slower than P and S wave, but speed is 3 to 5 km per second. This other name is long wave. These waves are the most destructive wave. Please underline, very very important, which is the most destructive earthquake wave. The most destructive seismic wave is L wave. They can only move through solid. Underline. The other name of L wave are Rayleigh's wave. It's also known as love wave. Now the instrument's name. Seismograph is an instrument. Seismograph. Seismograph is an instrument which records earthquake shocks. Earthquake shocks. Seismograph is an instrument which used to measure earthquake shocks. In these instruments, vibrations are recorded by a pen tracing on a revolving drum attached with a graph. Modern seismographs are so sensitive that they can record vibration of earthquake and tell the location of its epicenter and focus also. Next, Richter scale. Richter scale is used to measure the intensity of earthquake. Intensity of earthquake is measured by Richter scale. Richter scale was devised by Professor Charles F. Richter, an American seismologist in 1935. The scale measures the earthquake in symbol. It is a logarithmic scale ranging from 0 to 10. 0 to 10. It is a logarithmic scale. According to this scale, every increase of one number increases 10 times more. That is, its intensity increases by 10 times. It's 1 into 10. Then when you are going to 2 times into 10. Then 3 into 10 means intensity multiplied by 10. Intensity increases 10 times. The value of 2 in this scale can be felt as a tremor. Damage to building occurs when its value is over 6, and more destructions occur over 8, and it becomes a serious destruction